Hello, I am Subhas. Welcome to my YouTube channel Anywhere. A few weeks ago, I went to my elder brother's house in Sirampur for my own needs. I went out for shopping there in the evening and saw a fair going on. I heard that this fair is held every year during Dol Purnima, which was started by respected Khetra Mohan Shah about 125 years ago. Since my camera battery was very low and thus unprepared, I was not able to video properly. Still, I am sharing with you. Now please subscribe and share my channel. Stay tuned and watch this video in full. Thank you all in advance. Nothing to say today, just watch.
বলছি অনুষ্ঠান কি রোজই হয় নাকি মেলা হচ্ছে বলে হচ্ছে? নিত্য পুজো হয় আর অনুষ্ঠান কি রোজই হয়? আচ্ছা, এটা মেলা হচ্ছে বলে আচ্ছা, কটা থেকে কটা পর্যন্ত পুজো হয়? সকাল 8টা। আচ্ছা, আর 10:30 সন্ধেবেলা শীতল হয়, তাই তো? আচ্ছা,
I am finishing here today. Next day I will appear with a new and interesting video. Be well, be healthy, take care. Namaskar.